Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about 10 simple ways to reduce waste and live more sustainably. Let's get started. Number 1. Use reusable shopping bags. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to reduce waste. Instead of using single-use plastic bags, carry your own reusable shopping bags with you when you go to the store. Not only will this help you to avoid using single-use plastics, but it also shows that you care about the environment. Number 2. Say no to plastic straws. Plastic straws are a major source of pollution, especially in our oceans. They are often used for a few minutes at most, yet they can persist in the environment for hundreds of years. The good news is that there are plenty of alternatives to plastic straws, such as paper straws, bamboo straws, and metal straws. So next time you're at a restaurant, be sure to ask for a straw made from one of these materials. 3. Use a refillable water bottle. Another way to reduce waste is to use a refillable water bottle. Not only will this help you stay hydrated, but it will also reduce the amount of plastic waste that you produce. There are plenty of stylish and functional reusable water bottles on the market, so you're sure to find one that meets your needs. 4. Make your own coffee at home. Making your own coffee at home is not only cheaper than buying it at a coffee shop, but it is also much better for the environment. The process of making coffee at home produces less waste as you are not reliant on disposable cups and lids. Plus, you can use a reusable coffee filter to further reduce your impact. 5. Buy in bulk to reduce packaging. When you buy in bulk, you often get the same product with less packaging, which means less waste. This is especially true for items like rice, beans, and pasta. So next time you're at the grocery store, consider buying these items in bulk to reduce your environmental impact. 6. Avoid fast fashion. Fast fashion is a major contributor to waste, as it encourages people to buy cheap, low-quality clothing that ends up in landfills within a few years. Instead of succumbing to fast fashion trends, invest in high-quality pieces that will last you for years. Not only will this reduce your own waste, but it will also save you money in the long run. 7. Use cloth napkins instead of paper towels. Paper towels are a major source of waste, especially in restaurants and cafes. They are often used just once and then thrown away, despite being made from trees that could have been reused multiple times. By switching to cloth napkins, you can significantly reduce the amount of waste you produce and still have an environmentally friendly option. 8. Compost food scraps. Composting is a great way to reduce waste, as it allows you to recycle your food scraps into a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. Not only will this reduce the amount of waste you produce, but it will also benefit your plants and the environment. There are plenty of resources available to help you start composting at home, so be sure to check them out. 9. Choose products with minimal packaging. When you go to the grocery store, try to choose products with minimal packaging. This way you will produce less waste overall. You can also recycle or reuse any packaging that you do end up with. 10. Support local farmers markets. When you buy from local farmers markets, you are often able to get your produce without any packaging, which reduces waste significantly. These markets typically have a wide variety of fresh, locally grown produce, as well as other goods such as baked goods, honey, and maple syrup. By supporting local farmers markets, you are not only reducing waste, but also supporting your local economy. By following these 10 simple tips, you can reduce your waste footprint and live a more sustainable lifestyle. It may seem like small changes, but they add up over time and make a big difference for the planet. So give them a try and see how much waste you can reduce. Thank you for watching. Please let us know in the comments below what other ways you can think of to reduce waste and live more sustainably. We look forward to reading your suggestions. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about these simple but effective ways to reduce waste. And as always, thank you for your support. See you next time.